In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clock in on QuickBooks Time. Whether you're clocking in for a workday or managing your time entries, QuickBooks Time can make this process straightforward and efficient. Let's dive right into the steps to get you started with confidence. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks Online, open your preferred web browser and input the URL for QuickBooks, or simply search for QuickBooks in your search engine, which will lead you directly to the official site. Once you're there, focus your attention on the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see the sign in button right there. It's nice and visible, making it easy to access your account at any time. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Ensure you type in the email associated with your QuickBooks account along with your secure password. If at this point you're having trouble remembering your password, there's always an option to recover it. It's crucial to keep your login credentials secure, so avoid sharing them or writing them down in insecure locations. With your email and password entered, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This step will take you right into your QuickBooks dashboard, giving you access to a wide range of features including payroll management and time tracking. Make sure your internet connection is stable during this process, as any interruption might log you out and you may need to repeat the sign in process. Now once you're signed in, it's time to go to the time clock section. Head over to the dedicated area for time management by clicking on the link to time clock, usually easily accessible from the main menu or dashboard. This section is where you can see detailed entries of your time, and it's your central hub for all things related to time tracking. With the time clock open, look for the clock in button and click it. This action will formally register your start time for the day. Of course, upon clicking clock in, you might hear a confirmation beep sound or see a visual change that confirms your action. This assures you that you've successfully clocked in. It's a fantastic automated way to keep track of your working hours accurately and efficiently. With these steps completed, you are officially clocked in on QuickBooks Time and you're all set for your day. Keep in mind that recording your time accurately can help with payroll and tracking your work hours for better productivity. If you have any questions or run into issues while clocking in, QuickBooks provides support and a host of guides to ensure you're never left in the lurch. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope you find this process as seamless as intended.